Are you ready to unlock the power of Microsoft Azure? An Azure subscription is a service provided by Microsoft that enables users to access and utilize resources and services offered through the Microsoft Azure platform. It represents an agreement between the user and Microsoft to use Azure services. It is a logical container that holds Azure resources, including databases, virtual machines, web applications, virtual networks, and storage accounts. Subscriptions separate billing boundaries, functional lines, application categories, workloads, environments, and much, much more. While only one subscription is necessary, companies and individuals can create multiple subscriptions. Subscriptions can also be segmented based on business requirements, data protection requirements, compliance requirements, and variations in access restrictions. If you have various owners for your subscriptions, it is essential to note that a billing administrator is the only person who can transfer ownership of an Azure subscription. We are going to create an Azure subscription. So go ahead and navigate to the Microsoft Azure website, click portal.azure.com, and go ahead and sign in. Next, you can click the subscription button if it's listed under Azure Services. If you don't see it there, go ahead and click in the bar and just type subscription and click the golden key. You can go ahead and click the plus sign to add the subscription. I recommend when you name your subscription, remove any spaces so that if your developers are writing code or scripts, they can just easily put it in their code without having to use quotations or anything else. What I like to do is I like to create subscriptions based on the quarter because I want to be able to easily delete everything so that I don't have stuff left over that might accidentally be charging me. So for this, we are now in Q2 of 2024. So I'm going to type 2024 Q2 training. Here you can see I typed 2024 Q2 training. I left everything else default. I can change that if I want to, but right now I'm just leaving it all blank. Once I've added my subscription name, I'm going to go ahead and click Review and Create. Once you click Review and Create, Microsoft will verify your information is set up correctly. And once it's determined that you did everything correct, you will see a validation passed. Click or Create button to initiate subscription creation. Then you click the Create button. Congratulations, you're now ready to leverage Microsoft resources and services. And I'd like to thank you for watching.